Today we will be testing the STD stepped variety in tuple moving averages.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the STD stepped variety in tuple moving averages. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 56 strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 749 indicators, with 301 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 10 of the winning indicators. 5 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the STD stepped variety in tuple moving averages. Quite a mouthful. This creator always has a really lengthy name for their indicators. But the interesting part is that the indicators always are very simple. Simple in the way that they're laid out. They're not extremely complex. You don't have 5, 6, 7 different things on screen that you're trying to figure out how they all work together. And there is usually a very clear indication of how you should be trading this creator's indicators. And so for that, I greatly appreciate and thank this creator. And so I've mentioned it many times before, or at least a few times before, that this creator makes some pretty amazing indicators. I recommend that you go check out their page. You can find a link to this indicator down below and follow that to their page, and then you can browse around and check out all the indicators and stuff that they are making. Really great stuff there. All right, so the indicator here is pretty simple, as you can see on screen, visually anyways. We have this moving average line. We can see that is changing the bar coloration from red to green, and as it does, it's giving us this little S. S is probably hard to see, but there's a little purple S and an arrow right here, and then there's a little yellow L with an arrow right here. And so, as you can probably guess, the setup is when the bars turn green. That means that all these things have aligned. We get that little yellow L there, and we will go long. On the reverse side, when the bars turn red, the moving average is red, we get this little S right here, we will go short. So rather simple. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first trade, the first signal that we pick up right here is a short. You can see that we get that signal right here. We get a really nice push to the downside right there, and it does come down and get us to our take profit. Next signal that we pick up is a long right here. Looks like we get a little bit of a push to the downside there, but it stays within our stop before it then switches direction and starts to push to the upside, getting us up there to that 60 pip take profit and another winning trade. Let's see, then we pick up this short right here, do a little rapid fire. We get a really nice push to the downside right after we get the signal, and that one also comes down, getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long right here on this one. We get a little bit of a pullback before we then roll under, push to the upside there. That one also coming up, getting us to our take profit. Then pick up a short right here, and we pretty much immediately start getting a push to the downside. That one comes down, getting us to our 60 pip take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, this one right here, we pick up a long, we get a little bit of a push to the upside. We start getting consolidation right there, get a few wicks to the upside here, and they are just enough to barely touch that 60% take profit that we're looking for. And so that one also a winning trade. We then pick up a short right here on this one, and we get a nice push to the downside. That one once again getting us to our take profit. So far, we're looking really good on this one. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I would like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. And so this is our Discord server. This is specifically our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. Private area for all of our patrons to hang out, take advantage of some really great information that is being posted here. This is Sasquatch here. He's an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting pretty much every single day that the market's open, posting these charts with market analysis on different Forex pairs, showing exactly where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even some areas where he is specifically looking to enter into trades with take profit and stop loss in the whole deal. A lot of really great stuff right there. Then we have our admin Jay. He is posting regular futures analysis, and so you can see like a screenshot here where he's posted a screenshot of specific futures, and he's marked out again areas of support and resistance, exactly where he's looking to take profit and where he has his stop losses and the whole deal. A lot of great stuff there, and we even have a few other members who will post every now and then some charts where they've done some analysis of the market, looking to take trades at specific areas. Again, a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. If you really want to excel your trading knowledge and take your trading to the next step, I highly recommend that you join us in here, hang out, ask questions, take advantage of the information that is being thrown out there for everybody, and just kind of learn and absorb things. A lot of great stuff. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's go back here. Get everything in focus. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and count this one out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades all together. So that's a pretty decent number of trades within the 1 year's time. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 winning trades. And so that's a really decent win rate for the 15 trades. All in all, this was a really solid indicator as far as moving averages go. This one is probably the best one that I've seen yet. Even in conditions where we're kind of running in a range, just kind of bouncing back and forth, like right here, pretty tight consolidation and range, it was still able to pick up these moves at a pretty reasonable time and get you in. There was only a few instances, like right here, where the timing just got slightly off and it was throwing longs right as it was going short and shorts right as it was going long, but then it was able to recover pretty quickly and start to dial back in what the market was doing and catch these trend moves. And so all in all, this one is a really solid indicator, really nice, really good baseline that could be very beneficial. So this one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.